Hello everyone. Let me be the first one to congratulate you on finishing your book. In our final episode of this series, we are going to make you a published author. We have a lot to cover. So let's get started. The first step is to create an account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Go to kdp.amazon.com and click on Sign Up if you don't already have an Amazon account. Follow the simple steps to provide your name, address, and banking information so that Amazon can pay you royalties for your book sales. Once you have created your KDP account, it's time to upload your book. Amazon KDP accepts a variety of file formats for ebooks and paperbacks, but it's essential to upload it with Docs file. Make sure that your book is formatted correctly before you upload it. Similarly, you can now upload your book cover image as a JPEG file, and it should be at least 1000 pixels on the longest side. To upload your book, log into your KDP account and click on Create a New Title. You'll be asked to select the type of book you want to publish and to provide some basic information about your book. Then, you can upload your manuscript and your cover file. Before I continue with the final steps, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for following our episodes as we completed our journey from starting a book from scratch to becoming a published author. We wanted to create a tutorial to simplify the process for you. We made all the mistakes so you wouldn't have to. Should you be interested in using Alicia's Birthday Blues as a guide, the link is in the description below. Now it's time to preview your book. Use the previewer tool to ensure that it looks exactly how you envisioned it. The final step is to set your book price. You can choose between two royalty options, a 35% royalty rate or a 70% royalty rate. The 35% option allows you to price your book between 99 cents to $2.99 and from $9.99 to $200, while the 70% option requires you to price your book between $2.99 and $9.99. And there you have it. You have completed all the steps to publish your children's book on Amazon Kindle. Once you're satisfied with your book details and have set your book price, you can click the Publish button to make your book available on Amazon. Your book should be live within 24 to 48 hours, and you can start promoting it to your audience. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next installment. Looking forward to seeing you again. Take care and all the best.